Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can go ahead and create a menu or a navigation menu on WordPress Elementor. So let's get right into it. Now, to create a menu using Elementor, you pretty much just need to create a menu on WordPress first and then add it to the theme that you want. Now, firstly, what you need to do is you need to go into Appearance, then click on Menus, and from there you'll see all your menus that you have. Now, as you can see, I already have a menu that has been created, and for some reason these are the only options that I have for this menu. I cannot change any other menu options, such as setting it as my primary menu, which is blocking me from actually using it as a menu on WordPress itself. Now, I don't have access to Elementor due to me being on a free plan. However, I'll just show you guys how you can create a menu, and then I'll switch over to an article to explain to you guys how it is done. And how you can use Elementor to do this. Now, once this menu is actually deleted, we're going to be creating a new menu. I'm just going to name it Test 2, click Create Menu, and then we're going to be adding pages to our menu, for example, like this. Then once that's added, we're going to just click Save. And now we have our menu. Now, I'll switch over to here. Once you're done with that, you do need to publish your menu. And as you can see, I do not have the Manage Locations tab, which is preventing me from using the menu as my main menu on my site. And I do not have the Manage Locations, but you'll want to take the primary menu option or top menu, depending on where that option is. I do not have a custom theme, so that might also be why, or rather I have a theme that does not support menus. However, even if I add a menu through a widget, it still shows me a completely full menu with all my pages instead of the ones that I've selected. So I really don't know what's going on there, but it is what it is. And then what you can also do is go into Appearances and Widgets and dropping the new custom menu or navigation menu item where you want it. So that should help as well. I have tried it, haven't gotten it to work yet. However, you might, so I do recommend you do this. And now for Elementor, you can use the Pros Nav Menu widget, which allows you to do a couple different things, one of which is to make your own custom nav menu. And to do that, first you're going to need to go into Content and change the menu to the one you want to display first. Then under Layout, you need to set the menu to be horizontal, vertical, or even hidden on a drop-down if you want to. And you'll see that it looks different as soon as you select it. Then you can change the alignment to change the alignment of your menu items. Then you can also use a couple of options when it comes to animations. There are under, over, and double line animations if you want to, so you can experiment with that as well. And then you can click the pointer drop down to select what type you want, such as this. As you can see, you have some examples here. And the submenu indicator changes how submenus arrows icons are displayed, so keep that in mind as well. And other than that, you just need to set up the color and spacing and edit any other graphical things, and that should be it. Also keep in mind that you might need to edit your mobile menu as well to make sure everything translates correctly to mobile. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.